You're in first grade, Catherine?
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell us about some of these pages that you had to do for distance learning?
So it talks about my shapes. So basically what it says is how much sides do it have? And I counted it, it was 8. And how much corners does it have? It has 8.
Okay. Do you remember what the shape is called?
I've octagon.
Do you know what an octagon is?
It's this shape.
Okay.
And then basically what you do, you can circle the ones that I look like this. And then you draw it right here. But before you draw it, you have to trace it.
Right. Does that help you learn it?
Kinda.
Kinda. What is a side?
Sides are like a straight line.
And what's a corner?
It's like, it is like one tiny little triangle.
A triangle?
See how tiny it is right there?
So what we're going to do, and do you know what the difference is? It says, is it flat or solid? What does that mean?
That means, can it stand up for real?
Can it stand up for real?
Yeah.
Okay. So you notice I have some toys next to you. Okay. And you just had to do an activity where you were working on a worksheet about an octagon. But this time I want you to actually build an octagon. Okay. So you told me that an octagon has how many sides?
Each have 8 sides.
Are the sides the same length or are they different?
They are same.
They're the same length. So, and then, so you want to get some pieces and they should have what kind of length?
I don't really know. It's kind of hard.
You just told me that they have the same length, right? The octagon has the same length? The 8 sides? So let's start with getting 8 side lengths that are the same.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, this is not 4.
That's, there you go.
3, 4, 5. That's 6, 7, 8.
Good. And then you said it was flat, so it can't stand up on its own. So do you want to put down those 8 pieces? Very good. And will you take those 8 pieces and arrange them into an octagon? So you can look at your sheet. If you can't remember what an octagon looks like.
It's kind of hard.
You can try. So you're going to start, maybe do a bottom and a top. And
How do I connect it?
there you go. Well, what makes the sides connected? What is that called?
Corners.
Corners, right. Is there something there that you can use to connect the corners? Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Okay. I think you want to use this way.
Okay.
There you go.
Then, like this.
You're doing a great job.
And then I do that. And put it like, I think like this.
Okay. Okay. So
And then I could do more.
yeah.
So I could do that, and then I need to do another one. There. And then I need to do about 2 more, 3 or 2.
Which side should you work on next?
This side.
So it looks like the opposite sides here are pretty much the same, aren't they? Like this is straight, This is tilted. The top and the bottom. What do you think?
I think I should go like this. It's breaking. I think this way. I thought there was only going to be needing three more.
Okay.
So we need one more. I think we can use one of these. I think we might need
Well, let's count how many sides you've used so far. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One of these. So you need a little tiny one to fit in there.
Oh, you need another red one?
Let's go a tiny red one. Or could this fit?
Okay.
Oh, it's broken.
Or it just came out. Go ahead, push it in. You do it.
It's broken. It's broken again.
You got it. You just gotta push it in a little harder.
It's good.
Okay, tell me about your shape now.
So now I build it with these.
Okay, what is it called?
It's called the octagon.
It's an octagon. And what makes it an octagon?
I don't really know.
What would make it different than a square?
Because squares don't have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. And they don't have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners.
What has 8 sides and 8 corners?
Octagon.
Very good. And so this is why it is an
Octagon.
Can you hold it up?
No, it'll fall over.
So then it must be what?
It's flat.
It's flat. Very good. Do you think you could make one that could stand up?
I mean, sure.
Yeah.
So I could do this.
Uh-huh.
You can fix that.
And then you could make it a solid shape, right?
I'm going to make it into a salad shape, too. I could do that.
Uh-huh.
I need to keep on adding some red. I don't think there's any more red, so I can just use some pink.
There you go. And that's going to make it, it's no longer flat. It's
it's soft.
There you go.
So I need to find some products that I found one of these. Could these work?
There you go.
I need to add some more into here. I'm getting more of these reds, actually. This is breaking.
Great job, Catherine. We'll come back and check on you and see how your solid shape's going, okay?